નમસ્કાર મિત્રો આજે આપણે કોમ્પ્યુટર ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન એન્ડ આર્કિટેક્ચરના MCQ જોઈશું. તો ચાલો મિત્રો વિડીયો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ. MCQ 1. A certain processor supports only the immediate and the direct addressing modes. Which of the following programming language features cannot be implemented on this processor? Here correct option is option D. All of the above means pointers, array and records. 2. Which of the following is not a CPU organization type with respect to instruction formats? Here correct option is option B. Queue organization. 3. A microprogrammed control unit. Here correct option is option B. Facilitate easy implementation of a new instruction. 4. The addressing mode that permits relocation without any change whatever in the code is. Here correct option is option D. PC relative addressing. 5. Which of the following is responsible for extending commands to arithmetic logic unit of a computer? Here correct option is option B. Control unit. 6. Program counter contents indicate. Here correct option is C. The address where next instruction is stored. 7. Microprogram is. Here correct option is B. Set of micro instruction that defines the individual operation in response to a machine language instruction. 8. The ALU uses blank to store intermediate result. Here correct option is option C. Accumulators. 9. Which cycle refers to the process where one instruction is fetched and executed? Here correct option is option B. Instruction cycle. 10. Which of the following is not a program control instruction? Here correct option is option A. MOV. 11. INCA increase register A by 1 is an example of which of the following addressing mode? Here correct option is option C. Implied addressing. 12. Instruction pipeline improves CPU performance due to. Here correct option is option D. Efficient utilization of the processor hardware. 13. The time required for the fetching and execution of one simple machine instruction is. Here correct option is option B. CPU cycle. 14. Which of the following addressing mode is best suited to access elements of an array of continuous memory locations? Here correct option is option A. Indexed addressing mode. 15. Which of the following is not a common field found in instruction format? Here correct option is option B. Signed field. 16. The main difference between a CISC and a RISC processor is that a CISC processor has. Here correct option is option D. Less registers. 17. One instruction tried to write an operator before it is written by previous instruction. This may lead to dependency called. Here correct option is option C. Output dependency. 18. A hard disk is divided into tracks which are further subdivided into. Here correct option is option B. Sectors. 19. Which method bypass the CPU for certain types of data transfer? Here correct option is option D. DMA means direct memory access. 20. The interrupt which cannot be delayed and require the processor to process them immediately is. Here correct option is option B. Non-maskable interrupts. 21. Any computer uses three different memories called 1. Cache memory, 2. Virtual memory, 3. Main memory. Moving from the CPU outwards, which is correct order in which they are appear? Here correct option is option B. 1, 3 and 2. 22. An interface that provide input-output transfer of data directly to and from the memory unit and the peripheral is termed as. Here correct option is option D. DMA means direct memory access. 23. The principle of locality justified the use of. Here correct option is option D, Kake memory. 24. Which of the following technique is an example of vectored interrupts? Here correct option is option D. Both 2 and 3 means daisy chain and bus abbreviation. 25. The time a magnetic disc takes to position a head on the selected track is. Here correct option is option C, seek time. 26. During DMA, transfer the microprocessor. Here correct option is option C, neither reads nor writes data. 27. The method for updating the main memory as soon as a word is removed from the Kake is called. Here correct option is option B, write back. 28. Which of the following memories must be refreshed many times per second? Here correct option is option B, dynamic RAM. 29. The number of addressable memory units for a 10-bit size address bus is. Here answer is 2 raised to 10 means 1024. So correct answer is answer C. 30. When we move from the outermost track to the innermost track in a magnetic disk, then density. Here correct option is option A, increase. 31. During DMA, the interrupt and interrupt agglomerate lines. Here correct option is option A, are never used. 32. Which of the following memory access mechanism able to retrieve a word based on a portion of its contents rather than its address? Here correct option is option D, associative. 33. Which of the following are the computer memory perform parameters? A, access time. B, memory cycle time. 3, transfer rate. Here correct option is option D, all of the above. 34. The serial connection of interrupt lines for establishing hardware priority is known as. Here correct option is option A, daisy chaining priority. તો મિત્રો આ હતા કોમ્પ્યુટર ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન એન્ડ આર્કિટેક્ચરના MCQ. થેન્ક યુ.